Alright, today I'm going to show an example of how to break down a poker hand, which is something I do when reviewing my hands. Uh, Although you might not understand how poker works, understanding the process of how to break down a hand can help you with other things in life in a similar manner, such as thinking ahead, having a plan, and understanding how others might react giving the actions you take. With that said, the tools I am using are Hold'em Manager and Flopzilla. So, we'll get down into the hand. Here we have Ace King offsuit. First person, player 2, raises to 3 big blinds. Sometimes I raise here, sometimes I call. It depends on the opponent. And this opponent has been showing that he's been fairly tight, so there's no reason to try to expose him opening wide, because he's not opening wide enough for me to profitably 3-bet this, I think. So I call. We have another caller in the big blind with a very short stack. So here, if player 1 ever gets in, we're definitely going all in because he's so short. He only has 2 times the pot, so he can get in with a lot of different hands and we'll be crushing him. He checks. Now player 2 raises the 2/3 pot, which is a standard raise. Now with that, this is the range that I give him for his pre-flop range. It's right here. All these highlighted numbers and letters. So like this Q10 is Queen 10, and then the small s is suited, and then the small o is offsuit. So I think he can have any of these cards. Now this is the flop we're given. So Ace of Hearts, 9 of Diamonds, 5 of Spades. So I think he can be betting with any of these cards, which is, there's 106 different combos that he could be betting like this with. And they're all highlighted here. Many of them involve, 2-pair, top pair, sets, pocket pairs, couple of draws, not too many. So, because I think he can't be much stronger than me, the only thing he really can have is a set of aces, 9s, or 5s, and I block 2 pairs of sets for aces. And he just can't be that strong, so I'm actually going to call, because if I raise, he's most likely just going to fold. So I call, and if he were to ever raise, like I said, we'd just get it all in. 10 comes on the turn, which isn't too scary, because it doesn't really complete that many draws. The only thing that now has a draw is Queen Jack suited. I don't think he gets in this situation with Queen Jack offsuit. So I think he could have Queen Jack of Spades, Queen Jack of Hearts, Queen Jack of Diamonds for the backdoor flush draw. Now he bets a little over half pot. So this player's tendencies, I don't think he's now stabbing with just about anything, as on the flop I think he could have. So his range gets a lot narrower here. Now I think the only things he can have are sets, 2-pair, top pair, so any ace, and an open-ended straight draw with Queen Jack suited. Only 3 Queen Jack suited, because I don't think he has Queen Jack of clubs. I don't think he would bet that on the flop. So with that said, there's only 21 combos that beat us, and there are 32 combos that we beat. So we're definitely ahead in this situation, but it's very likely that he could have Ace Queen, Ace Jack, maybe ace 8, maybe ace 7, something like that, where if I raise, he might fold, and if he doesn't fold here, he's going to fold on the river. So I want to just let him continue barreling, so I can just pick off his bets. Now, the king on the river, although it seems good for us, which it is good for us, it gives us 2 pair, right? The queen jack gets there, but it's not really that much of an issue, I don't think, because, like I said, I don't know if he gets here with queen jack too often, and if he does, it's only 3 combos. So now we have almost the near nuts. So in Flopzilla, I'm going to add king of spades. So now, if he bets, which, okay, he bets for half pot, so he has the likely combos that he bets for value are 3 combos of straights, which is the 3 queen jacks, 10 combos of sets, which are aces. There's only 1 combo because there's only the diamond and the club of ace that are left, which honestly I think he bets a little bigger. Then obviously 9s, 5s, 10s. I don't think he gets here with kings. I don't think he bets the turn or the flop and the turn with pocket kings with an ace on the board. So I'm not putting that in his range. So there's only 10 combos of sets that he can have, and there's 15 combos of 2 pair I think he can have. All of them involving an ace and one of these other cards involving the 2 pair. He can bet with ace queen, ace jack. I don't think so, but he can. So we're giving those odds. We're beating. So we'll break it down. What we're getting beat by. We're getting beat by straights, which is 3 combos, right? Queen jack suited. We're getting beat by sets, which are 10 different combos. So that's a total of 13 combos that we're getting beat by. Now, he could also just have ace king and we could tie, which is 4 combos. And then we can have him beat if he has a worse 2 pair, like such as ace 9, ace 10, or ace 5, which is 11 different combos. So we're beat by 13 combos and we beat 11 combos. Given that, we really should just call in this situation, because like I said, we're getting beat by 13 and we only win 11 combos. So most of the time we're actually losing when I decide to raise here. So this is actually an improper play. We should just call in this situation, giving the combos he might have, because I don't think he ever calls a raise with ace queen, ace jack. He never gets, I mean, it's just unlikely for him to. So giving that, it's extremely close. Like I said, there's only 2 combo difference, and if I don't think he gets here with queen jack, then we actually win 11 combos and lose 10 combos. So it's extremely close. With that said, I think this might be a better play to call. However, I raise, and he ends up calling, and lucky for us, he ends up having ace 10 and we had ace king and we won the pot. So understanding how to properly think about a poker hand not only improves your poker skill if you play, but it also gives you an idea of how to think about just daily interactions, such as if I take this action, how will someone else respond? Another thing that you can learn from poker and this situation is just because something went in your favor and in this scenario we won doesn't mean it's the right play. and you should always try to evaluate how things turn out and how they could have turned out and how decisions affected the outcome. Thank you for watching.